it says do not open. Julian and Nyla freak out and run to the maintenance bay, but when they get there it's too late. A glowing energy is coming out of the object and making the Saw Man scream in pain. His body starts melting and soon an explosion happens, hurting multiple crew members and destroying most objects in the room. It also brings down the generator, which shuts power down in the base until the emergency batteries take over. After getting some flashlights, the rest of the group goes down to the bay to check on the wounded employees. Everyone is alive except for the sawing guy, who is burned to death. When they take a closer look at the hole the saw left in the object, they're surprised to discover weirdly looking organic parts. Pilot Tony pokes it with a broom handle and the membrane starts burning away until a new hole reveals what's truly inside the object, a frozen alien. They can't tell if it's just sleeping or actually dead. Suddenly Nyla says she feels sick as her nose starts bleeding. She falls on her knees and her face begins melting as well. Soon more and more employees start going through the same, making the group realize there's some kind of virus that escaped from the object and is now in the air, killing them one by one. Horrified, the few survivors run into a sealed room to be safe and watch the alien on the security cameras. Grisham tries to contact someone for help but the comms are still down. Iraq explains a disease sometimes slows down to avoid killing the thing it needs to live on, so there's a chance the survivors may be infected as well. While the group fights over what to do, the alien opens its eyes. By the time the crew looks at the screen again, the creature is gone from the bay. They agree to go looking for it and to get the guns brought by the pilots. Using just their flashlights, the crew starts searching the maintenance bay. Stroiba gets scared when he feels something at his back, but it's just Kate. Grisham is also searching, unaware something is watching him from afar. It goes away when Grisham turns around with his flashlight. The presence then starts following Tony, who screams when he sees something moving in the shadows. As Julian tries to climb over some boxes to reach the next base level, Kate turns off the power in the rooms they aren't using and Julian falls. He recovers quickly and begins following a weird noise until he finally finds the alien, who appears to be scared. Julian puts down his flashlight while using gentle words, trying